Despite less buzz about EV charging infrastructure nowadays compared to the turn of the decade, ChargePoint keeps charging up its vast network, such as with Loyola Marymount University, LMU, which plans to add more charging stations while upgrading to ChargePoint's next-generation software platform. The platform offers advanced monitoring and reporting tools designed to improve charging station reliability and reduce manual maintenance. LMU will also implement ChargePoint's Safeguard Care service, which includes routine on-site inspections to ensure stations remain operational. ChargePoint has also expanded its charging footprint in Michigan. It recently opened an ultra-fast EV charging site in Canton that is owned and operated by DeBaha Brothers Development Group. The location represents the first of several installations planned across Metro Detroit, with additional stations expected in Dearborn and Livonia. Altogether, the real estate development firm intends to deploy more than 40 charging ports at its properties. These locations will use ChargePoint Express Plus fast charging stations, which are capable of charging 2 vehicles simultaneously from a single unit. The stations incorporate cooling technology that allows them to maintain high charging speeds, enabling drivers to recharge their vehicles quickly while visiting nearby businesses or attractions. The installations are intended to address a lack of fast charging infrastructure in parts of the Detroit area. ChargePoint's new software platform is evolving to manage EV charging operations at scale with what else but AI, giving it tools that analyze charging usage patterns, station health, and energy conditions to optimize performance, allowing for features like real-time monitoring, customizable dashboards, waitlist tools for managing high demand, dynamic pricing capabilities, and energy management functions that help operators distribute power efficiently across multiple chargers. The platform is compatible with charging hardware that follows open ChargePoint protocol standards, allowing operators to manage equipment from multiple manufacturers, opening up the ability to deploy for applications ranging from commercial parking facilities to large fleet operations. Large as in large corporate users such as Verizon, which was an early adopter. ChargePoint has also strengthened its relationship with public sector customers by securing its third consecutive cooperative purchasing contract with Sourcewell, an organization that facilitates group purchasing for government and nonprofit entities. Through this agreement, approximately 50,000 public agencies across the United States and Canada, including municipalities, transit authorities, and schools, can purchase ChargePoint charging equipment, software, and services through a simplified procurement process with pre-negotiated pricing. The partnership, which began in 2017, is designed to help public agencies expand EV infrastructure more efficiently while avoiding lengthy bidding procedures. In terms of upgrades to its balance sheet, ChargePoint completed a privately negotiated exchange of convertible senior notes that reduced its total outstanding debt by $172 million, more than half of its previous debt level. The transaction involved exchanging $329 million of notes due in 2028 for a package that includes a $157 million senior secured loan, up to $55 million in cash payments, and equity warrants. The restructuring extends the maturity of ChargePoint's debt to 2030 and is expected to reduce annual interest expenses by about $10 million. Nonetheless, ChargePoint continues to face financial and market challenges. It's experienced declining revenue growth and negative profitability in recent periods, and its stock price has fallen sharply over the past year. Some analysts have lowered price targets due to concerns about slowing EV demand and shifts in revenue mix, although several firms have maintained neutral or perform ratings while acknowledging improvements in margins and cost discipline. At the same time, ChargePoint has occasionally reported revenue that slightly exceeded expectations, indicating some resilience despite the difficult environment. For example, its latest quarter, fourth quarter fiscal 2026, had revenue of $109 million, up 7% year over year, with a record non-GAAP gross margin of 33%, as operational improvements and stronger product economics took hold. ChargePoint still posted a non-GAAP adjusted EBITDA loss of $18 million, but its financial position improved meaningfully during the year. Full-year revenue reached about $411 million, while net cash usage dropped to $43 million from $133 million the prior year. ChargePoint ended the quarter with $142 million in cash after repaying $40 million in debt. CFO Mansi Katani highlighted growing recurring revenue, with subscription services generating $42 million in Q4. ChargePoint expanded its global network to about 385,000 managed charging ports, including more than 41,000 DC fast chargers, while drivers can access over 1.37 million ports through its platform. Software adoption is rising, with around 130,000 software-only managed ports representing roughly 30% of the network. Engagement and reliability also improved, with 1.48 million monthly active users, utilization climbing across AC ports, and downtime below 1%. Charging ahead, the goal will be scaling its higher-margin Flex AC platform and developing a next-generation DC fast charger expected in fiscal 2027. Partnerships with Ford Pro, Raw Charging, Georgia Power, and Eaton further support expansion, leading to Q1 fiscal 2027 revenue expectations of $90 to $100 million if improving margins and recurring software revenue gain traction. Another thing to charge up on is TradingView, your trusted tool to track and scan the markets. Try it for free, link in the description and pinned comment.